Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on CodeLSC. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to link to a specific part of a web page using HTML anchor links. Whether you're building a simple web page or a complex website, this technique will help improve navigation and user experience. Let's dive right in. To create an anchor link, the first step is to define the target section of the page. Use the ID attribute to assign a unique identifier to the element you want to link to. For example, this ID acts as a unique address for the section. Next, create the link that points to the section. Use and tag, and set the href attribute to number ID, where ID matches the one you defined. When a user clicks this link, it takes them directly to the Contact Us section. Want to add some finesse? Use smooth scrolling to enhance the user experience. Just add this CSS rule. This will make your page scroll smoothly to the section when the link is clicked. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, you can create powerful anchor links for your web page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeLSC. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Until then, keep coding and keep creating amazing web experiences.